Let's learn about understanding relationships between reflections. Compare the points 7, -2 and -7, +2. How are these points related by reflections? All right, let's plot these points. Let's get a quick sketch here to see what we are talking about. We have x, y, and our first point, 7, -2. Let's say 7's right there, -2 is like right here. And that's 7, -2. And then the next point is -7, +2. So x is -7 about here, and the +2 right here. So we have -7, +2 right there. So how do we get from this point to that point? Well, if we talk about reflections here, right, let's take one of our points and reflect it and see where it goes over one of the axes. So our point 7, -2, let's reflect it over the x-axis. It goes right here, reflecting that, and that's a 7, +2. We're not there, right? This is over the x-axis reflection. But we seem like we're almost getting their piece of puzzle. If we just do another reflection here over the y-axis, right there, we get to this point right here. And so, if we did that from one point to the other, it seems like its relationship between the 2 points is there a double reflection over the x-axis and then over the y-axis. One point will get the other. We can see the other way around. Reflect over the x-axis right here. We get this point here, -2, or -7, -2. Then reflect over the y-axis, and we get our original point right here. 7, -2. So both of these points are a reflection over the x and then y-axis of each other. I hope you learned something here about understanding relationships between reflections. And as always, thanks for watching.